Yo, I'm Emonic. The studio is getting an upgrade. We're going from this to this is awesome. Smells like great things are about to happen. Haha! White. But it definitely has absorbing powers. Ah! I'm actually really curious how big this thing is. I know it's 80 inches by 72. To confirm, the blanket is 80 by 72 inches, and then the studs from here to there. 16, 530. Yeah. 16 times 5 is 80. So there's 80 inches in length across these studs, so it'll fit. You see this right here? That's the control panel. Not the control panel, the circuit box, breaker box. It's kind of an eyesore, truthfully. So I was thinking this could cover that. Yeah, something like that. The moving blanket curtain is now on the wall successfully. I need to add a 2x4 to the wall right here. It's just gonna go above it. That thing is on there. Sometimes I just sit in the studio, especially when I'm remodeling it, and think. I just look at things. Think about where things should go, or how I want it to be laid out, what it will look like on camera. I just like to allow myself time to imagine things, I guess. This is awesome. I could have spaced them out just a little bit more. Like the big orange Gretsch down here doesn't play well with others, so it needs to be next to the mandolin so it has space. And then the banjo is ready and available on its own guitar stand at all times because the banjo is the best.